Witness the return of the American King. This is the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Heritage Revival. A legend reborn for the modern age, blending classic soul with futuristic electric innovation. Cloaked in Majestic Plum Metallic, its presence is as commanding as it is elegant. The Eldorado returns as an ultra-luxury electric masterpiece built on the cutting-edge Ultium platform. The massive chrome grille and vertical blade LEDs pay homage to Cadillac's golden era. Longer, sleeker, and more majestic than anything else on the road today. Experience a magic carpet ride with advanced air suspension that glides over every imperfection. From the iconic rear fins to the brushed chrome accents, every detail screams luxury. A full panoramic glass roof offers a limitless view of the world as you travel in style. Under the hood, a silent but powerful electric powertrain delivers effortless acceleration. This is not just a car, it's a statement of success and timeless American craftsmanship. Every inch is engineered for silence, providing a sanctuary from the outside world. Aerodynamics meet art in a silhouette that is instantly recognizable from a mile away. In this high-end showroom, the Eldorado stands as a peak of automotive achievement. Vertical matrix LED headlights light the path with the precision of a diamond-cut blade. The Eldorado nameplate returns to its rightful place at the top of the luxury world. Inside, Paragon White leather meets open-pore wood for an atmosphere of pure opulence. The cabin is a digital wonderland centered around a massive 55-inch curved display. The dashboard is a seamless blend of mid-century design and 21st-century technology. Rear passengers are treated to a private lounge experience with unmatched legroom. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, highlighting the exquisite wood and aluminum trim. A retro modern steering wheel puts the future of Cadillac right in your hands. The digital instrument cluster features a heritage mode, bringing back classic gauge designs. Control every aspect of your journey with a crystal interface and intuitive touch systems. The AKG Studio Reference System provides a concert hall experience on every drive. Look up at the stars through the massive canopy, connecting you with the horizon. The Ultium electric heart provides over 400 miles of range on a single charge. Instant torque and silent power redefine what it means to drive a luxury flagship. Classic 22-inch turbine wheels bring the sparkle of the 50s into the future. Wide white wall tires add a touch of nostalgia to this high-tech performance machine. The precision in the vertical lighting signature is a masterclass in modern design. Even the rear fins serve a purpose, stabilizing the car at high cruising speeds. The Cadillac crest is a symbol of excellence, reborn here in its most ambitious form. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado, the king has returned, and the future has never looked so grand.